Today is the history of a man who is known for his mannerisms and stylish fight sequences, and for his mass following, and for his humanitarian causes. Today is the history of power star Pawan Kalyan. Born as Konidala Kalyan Babu on 2nd September 1971 to Konidala Venkat Rao and Anjana Devi in Bapatla, Andhra Pradesh. He is an Indian film actor, active from 1996 to present. He founded a charitable trust called Common Man Protection Force, whose motive is to support economically weaker section people of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. He entered politics in March 2014, founding the Janasena Party. His entry in campaigns made many political parties more conscious because of his mass following. He soon shined like a star, but gradually twinkled less. Pawan Kalyan contested in two constituencies in 2019 election from Gajwaka and Bhimavaram, but he failed to win in either. We categorized his 2019 election failure into three categories. Number 1. Why did he lose in elections? He started party in 2014 and extended support to BJP and TDP, though he did not contest in 2014 election. Post-election, he became less active in political and public issues and went back to do movies until he planned to contest in 2019 elections. Lack of his stability and commitment made people think of casting their vote. Campaign against Janasena Party, saying that Janasena Party and Telugudesam Party have a secret pact behind, and the silence of Telugudesam Party made the statement more reliable, though he aimed to prevent TDP's comeback. Pawan Kalyan's personal life made huge impact. Because of his multiple marriages, he did not reach people's expectation who were looking for sincere and ethical leader. The failure of Chiranjeevi's Prajarajam Party in the 2019 assembly polls and merging of it into the Congress party has made people think twice before trusting Chiranjeevi's brother Pawan Kalyan's party. Though he evoked strong emotions in people with his speeches, he could not attract people with his occasional aggression that are commonly seen in his public speeches. Also, he failed to realize the strong anti-incumbency among the public and focused more on criticizing the opposition party rather than the ruling party. This made neutral voters lose their trust for the more on Janasena Party. 2. How come the support of masses went into vain? One of the biggest drawbacks is most of the supporters are his hardcore fans and caste-based, and most of them belong to 15 to 25 age group. Many people are not eligible to vote, or many did not use their first vote. Upon this, opposition political play where the people are stopped travelling from other places to Andhra Pradesh to cast vote. Whether right or wrong, it is an accepted fact that people expect money to be given to them even by the party they want to vote for. So, in these type of circumstances, Janasena Party, which is not high on funds, could not attract people with money in most of the places. Pawan Kalyan did not have enough funds or media support. He let his fans run the social media campaign, which did not yield positive results. 3. What about the candidates who joined Janasena Party? Lack of popular faces in the party was another huge drawback. Whether corrupt or not, whether criminal or not, people would always vote a known face rather than someone new, irrespective of the person's background, education and economic status. Though Janasena Party had a chance of contesting some ex-leaders, they gave chance to newcomers and young politicians, which had a big impact on their failure. Many leaders had left the party after Pawan Kalyan broke the word, as he said he will be committed completely to politics and will not return to movies. However, Pawan Kalyan meeting with the BJP in January 2020 have also triggered a debate over the prospectus of the Janasena Party merging with the BJP. This was the path his brother Chiranjeevi followed when he clubbed his Prajarajam Party with the Congress in 2011. Pawan Kalyan as an artist enjoyed an exclusive place in the minds and hearts of millions of fans, but failed to convert his fans to voters. Due to lack of cohesive political strategy, organizational structure, experience, commitment and credible agenda, though he came up with revolutionary thoughts that were not organized constructively. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.